Ultimate Guide to Affiliate Marketing for Newbies. Affiliate marketing is a way to make money by promoting other people's goods or services. You get a cut of the sales you make. It's a good choice for beginners because it doesn't require a lot of money up front, and you can use the resources and reputation of well-known brands. To be successful in affiliate marketing, though, you need to know the basics, have a plan, and be dedicated to giving your audience value. This complete guide will give you the information and tools you need to make money through affiliate marketing and build a steady stream of passive income. Affiliate marketing is a win-win partnership that you should know about. Three main players work together in affiliate marketing: the merchant or advertiser, the business that owns the good or service that is being advertised. The affiliate, also known as the publisher, is the person or business that promotes the product or service and gets a cut of each sale. The customer, the person who buys the product or service because of the affiliate's advertising. The affiliate gets paid a commission for putting ads or links on their website, blog, social media account, or email list that lead people to the merchant's website. The affiliate gets a cut of the sale when a customer clicks on the link and buys something. Choosing a niche, getting your focus. Picking a profitable niche is the first step to starting a successful affiliate marketing business. A niche is a small part of the market that has a specific set of needs and wants, passion and knowledge. Choose a niche that fits with what you know and love. This will make it more fun and real to make content. Market demand. Find out how much people want the goods or services you want to sell. Use Google Trends or keyword research tools to find popular topics and keywords that people are searching for a lot. Look at the level of competition in your niche to see how it compares to others. It's important to pick a niche that has enough demand, but stay away from niches that are already full of established players. Profitability. Find out how likely it is that your niche will be profitable. Look for goods or services that pay good commissions and have a high conversion rate. Finding affiliate programs. Getting in touch with merchants. Once you've picked a niche, the next step is to look for affiliate programs that fit with your content and audience. Affiliate networks. Sign up for affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, Share A Sale, CJ Affiliate, Commission Junction, and ClickBank. These networks connect merchants and affiliates and give them a central place to find and manage affiliate programs. Direct affiliate programs. A lot of businesses have their own affiliate programs. Look into companies in your niche and see if they have an affiliate program. Things to think about. Importance. Pick programs that sell goods or services that are useful to your audience and niche. Rates of commission. Look at the commission rates that different programs offer. Quality of the product. Make sure that the goods or services you are promoting are of high quality and meet the needs of your audience. Terms of payment. Look over the payment terms, such as the minimum payout amount and the ways to pay. Terms of service. Read the terms of service so you know what the rules are and how to follow them. Creating a website or blog to make your presence known online. You can do affiliate marketing without a website, but having one gives you a place to put all of your content and helps you build a brand. Choose a domain name that is related to your niche and easy to remember. Choosing a hosting provider. Pick a hosting company that you can trust and that can handle the traffic to your site. Installing WordPress. WordPress is a well-known content management system that makes it easy to set up and run your website. Choosing a theme. Pick a theme that looks good and works well for users. Making important pages. Make important pages like a Contact Us page, a About Us page, and a privacy policy. Making content that matters. Getting your audience's attention and keeping it. To get people to pay attention to you and keep them interested, you need to make content that is useful and of high quality. Your content should be useful, interesting, and related to your niche. Types of content. Product reviews. Write honest and fair reviews of products in your niche. How-to guides and tutorials. Make tutorials that show people how to use a product or service. Comparisons. Put different products or services next to each other and see how they stack up. Case studies. Give examples from the real world of how you've used a product or service. Blog posts. Write blog posts that are both interesting and informative about things that are related to your niche. Optimizing content. Keyword research. Use tools to find the right keywords and add them to your content. SEO. Optimization. Make your content better for search engines so that more people can find it. Make your content more appealing by using pictures, videos, and other visuals. Call to action. Make it clear what you want people to do so they will click on your affiliate links. Getting people to visit your website. Getting potential customers to come to your site. Getting people to visit your website is important if you want to make sales and earn commissions. There are a number of ways to get people to visit your site. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of making your website and content more search engine friendly to get more organic traffic. Social media marketing. Use social media to get more people to see your content. Email marketing. Create an email list and use it to promote your content and affiliate offers. Paid advertising. Use services like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to get people who are interested in what you have to offer to visit your website. Guest blogging means writing posts for other websites in your niche to get in front of new people. Joining online communities. Join online communities and forums that are related to your niche to meet new people and get more visitors to your website. How to build trust with your audience. Building trust. To be successful in affiliate marketing for a long time, you need to earn your audience's trust. People are more likely to buy things from someone they trust. Be honest about your affiliate relationships and only recommend products or services that you really believe in. Give value, even if it doesn't lead to an immediate sale. Focus on giving your audience useful information. Talk to your audience, talk back to people, answer their questions, and join in on conversations. Make a name for yourself. Make a personal brand that shows what you believe in and what you're good at. Show off testimonials and social proof to build trust. Tracking and analyzing your results. How to tell if you're successful. You need to keep track of and analyze your results to know what is working and what isn't. Use analytics tools. Use tools like Google Analytics to keep an eye on your website's traffic, engagement, and conversions. Keep an eye on how well your affiliates are doing by using the tracking tools that come with your affiliate programs to keep track of your sales, commissions, and other important numbers. Find patterns. To find out what kinds of content and promotions work best, look for patterns in your data. Try out different strategies and tactics to see which ones work best for you. Following the rules to stay compliant. If you want to avoid penalties and keep a good reputation, you need to follow the rules for advertising and the terms of service for your affiliate program. FTC rules. When you do affiliate marketing, you have to follow the rules set by the FTC. These rules say that you have to make it clear and obvious that you are an affiliate. Terms of service for affiliate programs. Follow the rules of each affiliate program you join. Rules for data privacy. When you collect and use personal data, you must follow data privacy laws like GDPR and CCPA. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online without doing anything. If you follow the steps in this ultimate guide, you can learn how to do affiliate marketing and build a long-lasting online business. Keep in mind that to be successful, you need to have a plan. Be dedicated to giving your audience value and be open to change and learning.